This beautiful single-level home is ideally situated in one of Oregon's most picturesque locations, Cannon Beach. Close to the beach, state parks, extensive hiking trails, vibrant tide pools, and a charming downtown replete with art galleries, restaurants, boutiques, and cafes. Discover an open concept floor plan and vaulted ceilings with tons of natural light and multiple spaces to entertain and gather with friends and family. An inviting dining area is framed with a gas fireplace and beautiful accent lighting. The recently remodeled chef's kitchen features 2 ovens, a large island, stainless appliances, gorgeous finishes, and a huge walk-in pantry. The spacious master suite is a private retreat with a walk-in closet and an elegant bath with separate vanities, jetted tub, and large shower. Plus, it has a separate office space. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home has plenty of space with nearly 2,600 square feet. Relax and unwind on the deck in your private fenced backyard, complete with a separate shed for any number of uses. It's located in a quiet neighborhood where you'll enjoy a short walk to the beach, cafes, dining, and the iconic Haystack Rock. A beautiful home ready for you to make memories in Cannon Beach. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or for your own personal tour, please contact Michael Davis with Premier Property Group at 503-440-2747.